Hey, it's Jade and what? Come on. So in today's video, I want to share with you a few ways that you can put together your own low-waste travel kit. And I know that for different people you have different budgets and also you're starting out in different places. So hopefully you enjoy this video and seeing the different options that you have based on your budget or experience or whatever. There are many ways that you can reduce your waste and you don't always have to buy the expensive stuff to do it. The first thing you'll need is a container. So this could be a plastic food container that you already have. It could be a mason jar with a lid, or it could be a stainless steel container. Any of these will serve the same purpose. So basically what you would want a container for is to hold food when you order out if you're going out to eat, and to just hold the rest of the items that are going to be in your travel kit. So the next thing that you'll need are utensils. So you can just reach into your silverware drawer and grab a fork, spoon, and knife, or you could have a spork made out of bamboo or out of stainless steel. I have one that collapses. Or you could have like the classic bamboo utensil kit that is seen everywhere across social media. The next thing to have in your kit is a bag. Honestly, this could just be a plastic bag that you're reusing. Of course, when this breaks, please don't buy another plastic bag or get one from the grocery store. At that time, invest in a reusable bag like a canvas tote bag, or what I have for my travel kit is actually a bagoo bag, which is like a nylon bag, which I know, not great, but it's so convenient because it collapses to such a small size that it's helped me avoid other disposable bags more times than I can count. The next thing that you'll want to have with you is a travel mug of some sort. So this could be, again, the mason jar. You could double it as a container and as a drinking jar or whatever if it's just like a day trip or something and you don't think that you'll need it for both food and liquids. If you are not using the mason jar, you could bring one with you, but I know mason jars are kind of heavy. So you could also use just a regular, like, lightweight travel mug that you already own. I have one, it's made out of silicone and it collapses. So having a cup with you lets you avoid using disposable cups whenever you're out. It's also useful for food if you forget your container or whatever. That way you can just put the leftovers or like small snacks or samples in there. Okay, the next thing that I would suggest carrying on you is a straw. There are a couple options for straws. First of all, if you don't want to spend any money, you can just go without the straw. Just avoid straws in general. But if you do want to use a straw, there's bamboo straws, glass straws, steel straws, and probably straws made out of something else. I prefer glass straws. I think they're the easiest to clean because you can see exactly where stuff is left inside of it. But again, if you don't drink like thick things like smoothies, then a stainless steel straw or bamboo straw or whatever would work perfectly fine. And lastly, this is pretty basic but has been such a huge lifesaver. Bringing a cloth napkin with you is super helpful. You can use the napkin to tie things up, clean up messes obviously, wipe your hands. I found so many uses for napkins, and you don't have to spend money because you could just use a handkerchief that you might already own or a washcloth, or if you're crafty, maybe you could upcycle a sheet or something into a cloth napkin for yourself. I actually have a video on how to DIY turmeric dye any cloth that you might have. Anyway, let me know what else you would add to the travel kit or what is already in your travel kit. Maybe I missed something that's like kind of essential, but even if it's not essential, just let me know. I've definitely upgraded over time to things that are a little more convenient, smaller, easier for me to carry around, and encourage me to use them on the go. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!